Yeah, absolutely. So I would say Joel. I don't want to butcher his last name, but he does the VTOL as we were just talking.
Thank you so much for tuning in, and welcome all, and also all new subscribers. Thank you so much, and we just hit 80,000 subscribers. So before we start going to continue this video, I want to say thank you, and we're going to do something in return for you. So, and it's all up to you how we're going to give away 2 100% discount vouchers from RC JetPrint. And to give you guys more chance, we're going to give away 2 discount vouchers, 100% discount of one of the products of RC JetPrint. So what you have to do, listen up. Okay, first like this video, subscribe to our channel if you didn't, share the video, and leave a nice comment behind what you think about my projects and about the RC JetPrint product. So all what we are doing here. So, and you judged who is going to win. So we're going to choose the 2 most liked comments from this video in a week. And the 2 most liked comments will be judged by somebody really special, and we will announce it later. And these guys will get the discount voucher. So leave a nice comment behind in the comment section, and the 2 most liked comments will be chosen to win that discount voucher. So guys, go for it, you know what to do. Now then, ever since we are celebrating the 80,000 subscribers, I want to give a shout out to some wonderful people I've recently met. One of those is Kevin Noki. Hi Kevin, I hope you are watching, so this is a special shout out to you. He did a brilliant job of replicating actually a Macintosh computer which is fully functional. So make sure to check out his channel. I will put a link in below. And the other one is actually, I was really surprised by this cool guys. Lokar is pronounced, I guess, and also Kai from the Buildfast channel, which I am really fan of. Thank you, so guys. It's a true honor that you mentioned me as a builder, and yeah, Kyle, I'm also a big fan of your work. Yeah, let's do a cooperation in the near future, and have fun together and fly together. And this is all about the hobby, about the RC hobby, sharing our ideas, liking each other's work, and enjoy. This is about enjoying, and also about building new friendship in this RC community. The RC community is a really nice community, and I've also met Rami SA in real life, and we all share the same passion. And I'm really proud to inspire the next generation of engineers and to meet wonderful people like you guys. So thank you so much for the shout out, and yeah, let's jump back in the complicated Harrier project, VTOL. Yeah, for me it's indeed a challenge, like it's thought by Kevin, and I hope you don't mind I share this small part from the interview, because yeah, it's really motivating me. So before doing that, let's jump into the build. Okay, back to the video, guys. So this is going to be a really important video. I had a decision to make, and what it is I don't know yet. So are we continuing with the valve system, or are we going back to the EDF system? But anyway, I decided to make the valve twice as big to gain more roll momentum, because 0.13 is not enough Newton meters to turn this heavy model. Therefore, last week, and again I got 2 Bamboula printers which were running full time. So the entire new wing is printed. I made also design with the tilted EDF in the wing, which push a lot of air into the valve system, which is twice as big. And I do have faith to make it a flyable version, so I make also the reinforcement with carbon tubes inside. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to see the outcome of this model. So one more thing, because we are using bleeding air, and we are using the 10 kilo tubular. We're going to remove this bleeding air section and use this thrust or airflow to direct back into the nozzle. So therefore, I needed to print a new Pegasus module, which looks actually stunning with this PLA printed parts filled with carbon fiber. So we're going to assemble this also in this video, and yeah, let's see how far we're getting in this video, and hopefully we do a new takeoff. So for now, let's assemble this wing. All right, the wing is getting shape. Yeah, to start with, it feels super stable. We're going to glue it. Meanwhile, I need to design a bigger valve because these were too small. So according to the drawing, I made the valve twice as big and fully printed out of carbon. So let's see how far are we getting today. So I'm using the bamboo slicer, super nice slicer from Bamboo Lab, and yeah, 41 minutes. So let's go. Nice. Okay, both printers are running. For me, it's now time for a small coffee break. Okay guys, it's taking more time than expected. The wing doesn't fit that well because the current B3 BSM also needs to go out. So we're going to disassemble the nozzles again and rebuild the new Pegasus. So let's continue and let's try to get as far as possible. It is already Sunday morning. It's 9:30, and actually I want to start at 9 o'clock with editing of this video, so we need to proceed. So I think we are not going to make it today, but let's see. Okay, so the complete Pegasus is out, including the wing. And now we're going to continue actually with the valve. So we test fitting the valve, and it's really, really big. Look at the size difference. Current valve and a double size valve. So I'm really looking forward to see the test results. Unfortunately, I have to disassemble this wing and also take out the servos. These are from Shaw. Yeah, so also the landing gear is what we need because we cannot use this wing anymore. So I have to be carefully to take everything out again to assemble into this fuselage. So this wing also fits the big tubular because there is also no bleeding air in version 1 model. So we can also try this wing on this fuselage, and so we have a nice comparison. So yeah, this is a decision what I've made now. So bleed air is just not possible, and it's unfortunately, yeah, too much losses while using bleeding air. Wow, and my shop is really getting smaller. This airplane is really, really, really big. Quite proud. And I'm happy to announce that we're going to fly into Apple at the first weekend. And there we're going also to test fly the Boeing. and the Castrol. So lots of work to do. Okay everyone, I'm sorry I couldn't finish this build today and this week, so I have to move on to next week's video. It was a really busy week, meeting with PCBWay, with Kevin Noki. It was really special to meet really some nice YouTubers as well this week. But yeah, I still have a full-time job, so please consider to support me also on Patreon, so maybe I can do this more full-time and build more airplanes faster. So, well, ending this video, I'm already surprised that we gained already another 5,000 subscribers on this channel. To you guys who are new, my name is Joel, and I really still want to say a warm welcome to our channel, and you guys support me really awesomely. So thank you so much for subscribing to our channel, and let's go together to this 100,000 subscribers where we can earn that YouTube play button. So, like I said before, go to RC JetPrint. We're going to give away, to celebrate, 2 discount vouchers from RC JetPrint. So the most liked comment in this video again will get this discount voucher. Not 1, but also 2. So make sure to leave a really nice comment behind and you will make a chance to win that discount voucher 100% to shop around on the RC JetPrint website. For now, thank you also very much for watching this video, and let's continue building. I'm really motivated. Yeah guys, like I said before, and what I've told also on Nuremberg with Embedded World, yeah, I do have a full-time job. I wake up in the morning at 5 to start designing, start printing, and every Sunday morning I also wake up at 5 to edit this video. So this is actually the real life of a YouTuber, but I really enjoy the journey. Thanks all of you. I'm reading all the nice comments. So thank you so much for motivating me. And guys, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
I think it's one of those things. You gotta have that. So have you had any designers recently that has inspired you? Now's the time to name drop. Sorry,
any designers? Any designers?
Yeah, designers that have inspired you. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So I would say Joel. I don't want to butcher his last name, but he does the VTOL. As we were just talking about, Joel is he's amazing. I mean, his skills are just like way up there.
Yeah, I think he just reached out to connect with me, so I'll probably have a chat to him because his designs are, talk about complicated, but like, I think I want to do it as a challenge because it's wow.
Yeah, so Joel definitely, and we actually just started connecting a little bit. So we did talk about maybe doing a joint project at some point. So that would be kind of cool, teaming up together. So
that is awesome. No, that'd be great. And to round us up, I just want to close. I want to say thank you. Thank you for your time. I really do appreciate it. I know how busy it is raising a family and your four jobs. One of them is being a dad.